Hey there, it's Lisa Perry Smith with Century 21 Country Lake Homes, coming to you from the beautiful Pocono Mountains of Northeast Pennsylvania. It is an absolutely gorgeous day today. We've got blue skies, sunshine, only a couple clouds. I really want to take a trip here to Wallenpaupack Lake Estates in this nice weather to show you 1009 Cypress Court. Now this house has been completely renovated inside and out. Some of the exterior renovations are new siding, brand new metal roof, a brand new porch. The nice thing about the front here, it's not new, but it's a great feature, is a paved circular driveway. So you have it parking for at least 6 people because you've got 2 parking spots right here. And what I'd like to do now is take you inside and show you what I love most about this house. Now, as I mentioned, it has been completely renovated, stripped down to the studs. That means you have new wiring and new plumbing. And they put a nice slate entryway here for an accent, which I think is just adorable. I'm gonna wipe my feet. And when we come inside, this is my favorite part of the house. It's got one huge open floor plan. We all know everybody gravitates to the kitchen, so you can be in here doing your cooking, cleaning thing, and then your kids can be over here in the dining area at the table. They can be playing board games, or most likely they'll be on their cell phone, just kind of doing this, ignoring you. And then you can have people over here in the living room. How I see this is having one huge flat screen TV on this wall, furniture all around. Now, if you're like my family during football season, we are all eating at the table over here, and we're watching football on Sunday afternoon and Sunday nights. Now, on this side of the house, nothing spectacular about this room. It's just the utility room with a washer and dryer hookup. We have brand new windows and brand new doors, so we're keeping the cold air out and the hot air in. And outside, what you'll see, try kicking some snow around, but underneath here, there is a Flagstone patio that runs through this area here. You've got a large, oversized shed, plenty of space to store your toys. Now, Wallenpaupack Lake Estates, they do allow for ATVs. You do have to register with the community. What's nice, if you don't want to take your car someplace, you can just jump on your ATV and ride to the amenities. Now, on this side of the house, you'll find the master bedroom and bathroom. It's a nice, sizable room. Closet, little extra space in the back that goes in. And my favorite feature about the master bedroom is that there's a nice soaking tub. So ladies, grab your wine, grab your book, grab your candles and your bubble bath, sit in the tub and just decompress. Let the stress go away. Now, let me take you to the other side of the house. And what is nice about this type of layout is that you've got the master bedroom on this side, and you've got 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom on the other side. So there are 2 separate areas. And in the kitchen, as I had mentioned, there's brand new appliances, new cabinets, new countertop, totally turnkey. And I don't know if you could see it, the tongue and groove ceiling they put in, it really gives it a nice rustic look. And when my client has designed the house, because like I said, he stripped it down to the studs, he built this ginormous pantry. It just keeps going and going and going and going. This is how far back it goes. Plenty of room to put your dry goods in here, linens, games, holiday decorations, or if you're in Japan in those capsule hotels, you might be able to stick some people here to sleep. Now, as you go, I'll let my cameraman go back to show you the bedrooms, and as he does that, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Wallenpaupack Lake Estates. It's a community that's right on Lake Wallenpaupack. So it does give you lake access. It does have an indoor pool, which is one of the few communities, and it has a campground. So if you don't want your in-laws staying with you while they're visiting, you send them camping. What a great feature that is. It also has 2 outdoor pools, skateboard park, adult lodge, kids lodge, regular clubhouse, fitness center. Again, I said access to Lake Wallenpaupack, and just a lot of other things that if you go to the website, you'll see the pictures of the different communities. Now, I would love to get your feedback on the house. The house is $119,900, so almost just short of $120,000. And I just got the thumbs up from my son because I didn't flub it at this. I didn't flub it this time. Thanks, Liam. And I'd love to get your feedback on the price, on the house itself. Let me know what you think. If you like it, give it a like on the on a like button, or if you know someone that would think they would enjoy the house, share it with them. Or if you want to see the house in person, contact me, Lisa Perry Smith, Century 21 Country Lake Homes, 570-499-3699. 3560, and I'm taking you home, sweet Poconos.